What's up, discount divas and dudes? Back with another video. In today's video, y'all, I had to test the waters and give me some Dollar General clearance items. So if y'all haven't went, if y'all waiting to go to Saturday, check out this video so y'all can get a sneak peek on some clearance items that you might want to pick up, because the clearance was clearancing, y'all, and it seems like I was the only one out clearance shopping. But I know some people are waiting till Saturday so they can use their 5 off of 25, which is a smart thing to do. But when you're competing for clearance items or you want certain clearance items, it's always good to go early before the store opens so you can be the first one to get to pick and choose what you want to buy, and without having to get leftovers. Nobody wants leftovers because it's always something that you don't want or you just buy because it's on clearance. But enough of my talking. Before we get into this clearance haul, like, comment, share, subscribe, turn on those post notifications so you don't miss out, so you won't miss out. To all my new subscribers, hey, hello, how y'all doing? To all my returning subscribers, y'all already know the deal. So with that being said, let's get into some of these clearance items from Dollar General. Okay, y'all, here is some of the items I got. I didn't have room for everything, so I just put some stuff on there. We are going to start off with these Airwicks, y'all. They marked these down to $5.40. And I think we had Airwick coupons. I didn't see none, but I have seen some people posting like this, getting one of these and using that Airwick coupon. So check your apps and see if y'all still have that coupon or not, because knowing Dollar General, they probably took it off the app, because like I said, I did not have one pop up for me, but I have seen it. So $5.40, and these was $10. Now the Purex, and it's the 35 count, and these are like what the new bags look like versus the older bags. So it's two different bags, but they both have 35 in them, and they were $2.57. Then I found the Arm& Hammer. It's the 42 pack, and it's the purple Fresh Burst. It was $4.27. Then I found the Snuggles Exhilarations fabric softener. It is $1.50. The Gain Flings, and it's the Freshwater Sparkle 24 count. They are $3.37, and I found 3 of those. Then on the Gain Flings, it's the Spring Daydream, the pink one, and it's 76 count. It was $8.97, which you cannot beat at all. Then I always get these Arm& Hammer Sensitives too. They are $4.27, and they are 105 loads. And then I had got a Febreze, the Allen Fresh one, and it's not on clearance, but it is the lowest price Gain, which Gain Febreze, which is $2.70, and we do have a dollar coupon attaching to this, making it $1.70. So if y'all can find these Allen Fresh Gain Febreze, that would be nice, because at least we do have a coupon attaching to that as well. So these are some of the items. Now let me clear this table and I will get out the rest of my clearance haul. Okay, y'all, here is my other clearance items I had got. And I gotta show y'all these back here. Okay, we gonna start off with the Tide Simply. It was $5.73. The Pine-Sol, which is the lavender ones, they were $2. I had got the Murphy oil, the one with the top, and then the Murphy oil cleaning spray. They were both $1.96. Then I got the OxyClean carpet and rug. It was $2.37. Then I got the Out Pet Care stain and odor remover. They were $2.25. We had earned $1 back on them, making them $1.25, and the limit was 2, so that's why I got 2 of those. Then the Resolve Pet Expert, it was $2.47. And the disinfectant spray, which is the True Living one, it was $2. The Lysol, and it is the lavender one also. It was $2.81 each. This juice right here, it looks beat up, but it was the last one, and they are $1. The Duracell batteries, it's the AAA, and it's 6 of them. They are $2.25. The braid foam is $3.37. The Caress was $3.50. And the eraser sheets were $1, and the original price on them was $2. And it's 8 disposable sheets. So y'all, that is the clearance item. I meant to show y'all I had got some paper cups. They were $1.13. So y'all, those are my clearance items I got today. I probably will go back out later on. I'm tired, sleepy. I woke up at 5 this morning. And yeah, I am beat. And I went to, let's see, 4 Dollar Generals, y'all. But mainly all of this stuff came from the very first one. Cause the stores was dead for real, y'all. Especially on the laundry items. Cause that's all I really wanted was laundry and cleaning items. The rest of the stuff, really don't care too much for. Comment down below and let me know if you go to the clearance event. What is your main purpose? What do you plan on getting when you go? And comment down below and let me know if you plan on going or if you not gonna go. So y'all like, comment, share, subscribe, turn on those post notifications, and I will see y'all in the next video. I'm out, y'all. Peace.